How do I stay organized and avoid burnout during a long job search? Well, that could easily happen because job search can feel like a full-time job, leading to questions about managing time and avoiding burnout. So use tools like spreadsheets or job search apps to track applications, to track deadlines, and of course, to track follow-ups. Break your day into dedicated blocks for researching, for networking, and of course for applying, but also schedule some time for exercise, for relaxation, for some socializing, for your hobbies. Remember, it's better to apply to fewer roles with well-tailored resumes and well-tailored applications than to send out dozens of generic ones. So incorporating self-care isn't just about feeling good. It helps you to stay focused. It helps you to stay present for interviews and, of course, for networking opportunities as well.